Have you been wondering what you can do with your whey? I mean, that yellow liquid substance that comes off whenever you're making your Greek yogurt. Just like me, I've been wondering what exactly can I do with this whey? It so turns out that this yogurt was actually made with just whey and not any other starter. So in this video, I'll be showing us how to use our whey to make another yogurt. If it helped, why not click on the subscribe button, like and share to people who might want this video. So if you want to see more yogurt hacks and more milk recipes, simply type more milk recipes in the comments below and I'll get to work. Hello guys, today in this video I'll be showing us how not to throw our whey away. So never throw your whey away whenever you're making your yogurt and you have excess whey or you have a little whey. Don't throw it away. One of the reasons why you shouldn't throw your whey away is what I'm going to show us right now. So at a very low heat, I'll be placing my milk. I have here 1 liter of milk. So at this very low heat, I'll have to boil it until... No, it's not going to boil. We're going to make it get hot gradually until we get the temperature that you can use to bathe a baby. Alternatively, if you're using powdered milk, you can take 4 cups of water, which comprises of 3 cups of cold water and 1 cup of hot water. So that will give you the kind of temperature that you require to mix your milk. That will be so okay for you to get your yogurt done. So this is what I have. I have my milk. It is 1 liter of milk, and I have to keep stirring so that I will not have any curd down there. I have to keep stirring gently on a low heat until I get the temperature that I want. Alright, like I said earlier, you require 4 cups of water to get this done if you're using a powdered milk, and it comprises of, I earlier said, 3 cups of cold water. Please do not mistake me for ice cold water. It's just room temperature water. 3 cups of room temperature water and 1 cup of hot water. So now this is beginning to have some yellow substance right on the milk, on the surface of the milk, because as you can see it's evaporating already. So it's really hot right now. Even if it's yet to boil, it's hot. And this white substance is actually the milk protein, and that's the reason why your whey turns out yellow-like. Let's see it that way, yellow-like, because it is the milk protein gathering at the top of the milk when it gets hot. So what exactly is your whey? Your whey is simply milk protein coming out in form of liquid. Most of the time, people just throw it away thinking it's waste. It's not waste, it's protein. If you actually want to gain weight, you don't throw your whey away. You can use it to make another yogurt. You can use it to make all sort of recipes. You can use it to make salad dressing. You can use it to make smoothies. You can use it to make all sorts. It's even good for cosmetic uses, and you can... It's amazing for the hair, it's amazing for the face. What is it? What is it that you need protein for, And you just need the whey, so don't throw your whey away. So it's always good to have your recipe in such a way that you have less whey, so you don't go about throwing your whey away. If you can figure out other things, other recipes that you can maybe create or you can source for to use your whey, go ahead and do it. You're throwing away a very good source of protein if you throw your whey away. So as far as I'm concerned, I think the whey should even be sold separately for those who know exactly what it does to the body. So back to stirring so that I will not have any curd down there. See, it's evaporating. Yeah, I'll bring it to this point, set it aside to get cool before I go ahead with what I'm doing. I think it's okay this way. Sorry about this, I had a corrupt video and I have no choice other than to use a 3 liter recipe, which I did after this video. So for the 3 liter you need 1 cup of whey, and for the 1 liter which you started earlier you need 1/3 cup of whey. So it takes a minimum of 8 hours to get your yogurt ready, depending on how tart or tangy you want the yogurt to be. Some will make it for 12 hours, while some will make it at 18 hours. But it took me 12 hours to get this done because I want it to be a little tart and not just plain like plain. So let's have a thumbs up if you like a video, and thanks for watching. Bye.